Hey guys, let's take a look at solving every equation of the form an absolute value ax plus b equals c. First of all, because on this side here we have absolute value bars, we need to make sure that c is greater than or equal to 0. Then it's a valid approach. After that, you can do ax plus b equals c, or you can do ax plus b equals negative c. You have to do that because remember, if you have c in absolute value bars, then it comes out as c on the right side. If you have the negative of c in absolute value bars, it still ends up being equal to the c on the right side because absolute value bars get rid of the negative. So you need to have a c in this position and you need to have the negative c in this position. After that, let's say the goal is to solve for x. So we're going to do ax equals c minus b, subtracting b here, and then divide by a. So x equals c minus b divided by a on the bottom. We should observe something, right? Because here you do have division by a cannot be equal to 0. This one, ax equals negative c minus b, so subtracting b, divide by a, x equals negative c minus b divided by a right here. That's really it. There may be some other considerations to keep in mind, and again, I should point out, right, like a cannot be equal to 0. There could be, again, maybe other considerations. You can put them in the comments, but I'll leave it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you like these, please be sure to hit like and subscribe.